Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and the lectures. We are from Fundamental Grammar Group 7. We are gonna analyze our article. First of all, let me introduce our group. Hello, my name is Arif Hakim. There is a Dzikri Mursyid, Kaynega Erlan, and Muhammad Kurnia Ramadhan. Okay, let's we started.
Quick information about this article. This article informs us that Donald Trump, the President of United States of America, and the First Lady is positive on coronavirus test. And this article often use simple present tense because there are many dialogues in this article, uh, like the reporters or the expert opinion about this situation for USA and the Trump's activities after getting positive.
Okay, in this slideshow, parts about verbs consists of 4 parts, which is verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, and words that using ed. For verb 1 is usually used in the sentence, which is simple present and simple future. For example, expect, continue, false, plan, appreciate, etc. For verb 2, it usually shows the past sentence, which is simple past. For example, could, did, wrote, etc. For verb 3, it usually shows the past sentence as well, which is present perfect and past perfect. For example, known and seen. And the last 4 part of using ed is applied to explain feelings. For example, assured, announced, tasted, etc. Okay, next slide.
Next slide is tense. There is a sixth tense used according to the article. 1. Simple present tense using verb 1. Example: I appreciate, I expect. 2. Simple future tense using will plus verb 1. Example: I will keep, I will maintain. 3. Simple past tense using verb 2. Example: a memo issue, he did not appear ill. 4. Present perfect tense using has or have plus verb 3. Example: has killed more. 5. Past continuous using to be form plus being plus verb. Example: assistance was being provided. 6. Past perfect tense using had plus verb 3. Example: had said, had done played. There is two form about this tense. There is a active form and passive form. The active form is don't use to be before verb, and the passive form use to be plus verb 3. Example of the active form: word, will keep, and etc. The passive one is was being provided. Thank you. We next to the next. We next. Thank you. We go to the next. Thank you. We go to the next slide.
In this slide, we analyze the article referring to two kinds of verb. First is finite and second one is non-finite verbs. Finite means bound. Finite verbs must agree with the number and person of its subject. If the tense of the sentence change, then the form of the finite verb also change. A finite verb gives meaning to a sentence. Unlike finite verbs, non-finite verbs are not bound by tense, person or number of the subject. Non-finite verbs are an extension of a sentence and can sometimes be left out, depending on the situation or context. The sentence will still make sense without the non-finite verb. And non-finite verb, there are three kinds of non-finite. First is infinitive, participle, and gerund. In this slide, we only classify finite and infinitive. The infinitive consists of the word to plus verb. It simply names an action. It can be used as complement of a verb or as the subject of a sentence. And for the list of classified finite and infinitive, you can see at the PPT slide. Thank you.
That's all the analysis of our group. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.